Hello, my name is Bay, and today I'm going to demonstrate hooking up a DMX controlled light and then running it with some software on the computer. We're going to do it in the time it takes to play one song. First we'll get the light. Here it is. It's an RGBW DMX controlled LED light. Quite simple, but it's pretty good. Plug it in. I've already set it up as a 10 channel DMX controlled light. It can go in standalone mode, not today. Alright, DMX lead adapter from the waterproof DMX plug to a 5-pin. Let's plug it in. Five-pin male DMX lead goes into a female. Okay. This lead goes into our DMX dongle that comes off the laptop. We'll grab DMX lead number 1. And it's a USB Pro Mark II. Great unit. It drives off USB. Okay, let's grab some software. We're using Q-Lite Controller Plus, a nice simple free program. We'll add that fixture in that we just so we'll press the green plus button there to add a fixture. And I'm using a ProLite Lumipar 18Q Pro. ProLite 10 channel mode, universe 1, address 1. Yes please. Alright, let's see if it's there. We'll slide our master control up to make sure it works and give it some red. There we go.